There you go.
So guys, we're gonna show you a little bit of the track.
Go on. Go on, Kevin. So what are you saying?
We're gonna show you a bit of the track, not all of it, because it's a teaser.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Right, what are you gonna show them, guys? So what's in the tease? What do they get to hear?
They get to hear the lyrics and all that.
Yeah, should we give them a tease of the lyrics?
Yeah, okay.
So, and what are the lyrics? So what it's about? So it's about chicken shop or chicken.
It's,
the chicken beat song. So,
yeah, it's the chicken beat song.
So, want to elaborate, Renee, on that? So tell them a bit more about the chicken beat. So what was your idea? What made you think of it originally?
So the idea was
something catchy.
Yeah, the song's catchy. We made it catchy because so people can remember it.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, and that's key, isn't it? So it's key to have something that people could remember, and yeah, and they can play out wherever if you're outside and or if you're making your own videos, guys, you can have the track in the background, or yeah, give you something to be aspired towards. All your children themselves, they can learn from this as well. They can do something, do their own production, and yeah. Remember, music's universal.
Music's hard a little bit because you have to put the tracks together, and you have to time it right.
That's cool.
Basically.
That's correct. It's about timing.
It's about
learning.
about timing and learning.
Come down the slide a little bit because I can't see your face. There you go. Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
So ready to show them a little bit of the lyrics?
Yeah, we're gonna show you a little bit of the teaser lyrics. So, okay.
Yeah. All right.
So guys, don't forget to
hit the subscribe button.
like, follow. No, not follow.
Actually, yeah, follow, Kaden. Follow.
So guys, what about hit the link in the bio? They'll see
Oh
their
yeah.
website.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Make sure you do that.